Alright, as you can see, I had the ET8 out again. This is a fuel mixer off one of the hit and miss engines because the two different ET8 carbs I have, I cannot figure out how to get either of them adjusted for the engine to run for any amount of time. I've gotten some advice from people and I've looked it up, and that carb design is supposed to get tuned at full speed, but this engine has no governor on it, so you can't run it wide open to tune the carb at all and then idle it. So I feel like the carb design that they chose for this ET8 was not good. I will figure something out because it is still running way too fast and way too hot, but it did run for a while, and it was running itself and the HM1 off of my generator box. So I think I will have to just commit to building my own fuel mixer for the ET8 or my own fuel mix setup and abandoning the carb on it.